producer pretending she don't want to fast in our business, right? But you see, because I and I life is so interesting, she can't help herself. She's calling this game Tell Me Your Thoughts by giving us the beginning of a few sentences for us to complete as it honestly applies to us. All right. Well, no. Let me see what I want. Gosh, them producer.
So what are we supposed to do?
Yeah, apparently we must just finish the sentence.
Okay.
Producer them just do have nothing to do.
All right.
Quickly. As a child, I dreamt of becoming
As a child, I dreamt of becoming a...
professional footballer.
As a child, I dreamt of becoming a performer, singer.
And you did?
Yeah, I did for a while. I still sing in the
All
shower.
right. Next one. I would give all my money and possessions to my family.
To my two picnic them, Kush and Zipporah. I would give all my...
By the way, I don't have no money to give them.
Oh, never bet, coach. You know how much money you have in your bank?
Yeah, no. You? You know?
You. I
No,
do.
I don't.
You know, somebody asked me, every time I turn on the TV, you know, it's unfortunate, all I see is your face. So, no, I'm joking. But during the World Championships and everything, like I turn on Smile, I see you. Yesterday with Simone, you took a break, and all of a sudden you're back on the TV. All I see is your face. So I'm wondering, are you going to make all the money at TVJ? Do you notice he's the only man you see every minute when you turn on the TV, right? In my money. So children, grandchildren, great-grandchildren of Neville Bell, you are okay. Next one. Last one.
My favorite Smile crew member is not Empress. I can't tell you that.
You know.
My favorite Smile crew member, my favorite.
Mine is Farron.
You know, my virgin, my manager.
Who?
All of them still.
Who's your manager?
All of them.
My favorite Smile crew member is Farron and Softman and Cappy. They deserve the award because they give service and they go beyond the call of duty on this show. And I'm not going to lie to you. Jamaica, right now, I award Farron, Softman, and Cappy for being the top crew members.
That was the last one.
I appreciate you three, and you are the honest to God number one crew members. Excuse me?
This is the last one. Who you would invite to a party?
I would invite the Queen of England to a party, and I would hold her in a corner, like just back her up, not in a violent way, like in a conversational way, and say, Queenie, hear this now. I want my reparation money, you see me? You see me? I want reparations, you see me? To take my people out of poverty. So I would invite the English Queen, our so-called Jamaican head of state, to a party. And then at the party, I can say, you want a drink? What you want? White rum, thing, what you want? Whatever, you know? You want tea? You want tea? And we sit in the corner and say, listen here. I don't know about head of state and visa, you see me?
You know the part where they're done, right?
Excuse me?
Stay with us, folks, to keep abreast of breast
You know
cancer.
what I mean.
But first, News in 5 with Shane Suko.